This isn't just a product. It's the answer you've been praying for. You've tried the YouTube tips. You've downloaded the free guides. But deep down, you are still stuck. The Legacy Builder Blueprint works because it's for real life, not the highlight reel. You will get a step-by-step guide with actions to earn daily online. You will get support and clarity when you feel overwhelmed. You will get a flexible system that works even when life gets chaotic. Don't wait for the perfect time. The problem you are facing right now is not your wall, it's your doorway. Walk through it. Start your legacy today. Contact me by commenting help to this video or pop me an email or visit my website for all the information you will need to get you on track to success right now.